Thank you all very much. Enjoy.
Hi, Ken Patesy, President and Executive Director of Manufacturing Works. We're here at a networking event that is supported by Simplex-IT. We bring people together here basically to share thoughts, ideas, experiences with each other at our networking events. Simplex-IT has been a supporter of those events, and we really do appreciate that and are happy to work with them. Thank you.
Hi, we're here at the Stonewater Golf Course, apparently, being the sponsor of Manufacturing Works' latest networking event. It is a great way for organizations to get together and share ideas and share cookies. They share cookies. I got a cookie.